Momentum. It's Emily Seagrin. I want to do a week in review. Tomorrow's Friday, and then I want to take a look at next week so you guys can prepare for it over the weekend. So we have been really busy around here. We're packing up one house, going to Rep Fest, moving into the other house. We're going to be at Rep Fest July 26th through the 28th. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are too. If you haven't registered yet and you're thinking about it, just do it. We only have 35 days left. I'm gonna order goodies. I'm gonna make team plans. You need to get in on this. And I'm super excited to see those of you that have already registered. So go to avonrepfest.com and register so I can include you in all of our plans. We have almost 50 team members signed up. Woo! It's so awesome. The momentum and the camaraderie and team that is happening on Team Momentum is super cool. So anyways, I really want you guys to go register. Let's take a look at what we did this week. So I created WhatsApp groups. Okay, what it is you can access it from your phone. I haven't tried to do it from the desktop, but on the phone. So I created different groups for one for new reps, so that would be in your first 7 campaigns, one for selling tips, one for recruiting tips, and then my online marketers. Okay, so it's really cool because you guys can text and learn from each other. And I can easily reach out to those groups at any time and connect with all of you. So I sent an email this week. I told you guys to join whichever you want to learn from. It really helps for me to be able to send different information based on what area of the business you want to grow. I hope you want to grow it all, so join all of them. Let me know if you have any questions about joining. What else did I do? I went through and did a Beauty Buzz video on Monday. So I covered your Avon news for the week. I hope that you guys enjoyed that. And remember, as a leader, that it's important to be sending reminders, letting your team know about events and webinars, and just sharing that information that Avon is putting out for us. So we do have one more thing. Let me cover what else I did. So I've been knowing for quite a while that I needed to update my onboarding videos, and I kept procrastinating, and I finally did it, and I'm super excited about it. There's totally different information. I think some of the older videos were out of date. So the lesson is to not put off those things that can make a huge difference in your business. Because once you start, it's fun and exciting. It's getting over that excuse or that challenge of making time for it. So we live in a busy, noisy world. If you need solid focus, work time like I do, put your phone in airplane mode and don't check your email, don't check Facebook. You can stay on those platforms all day long and not really accomplish much. So use it as a business tool. And I also encourage you to make your own videos. It's a great way for people to feel like they know you personally, even if they're just Facebook friends or following you on YouTube. So I encourage you to do videos, do them about products, do them about campaigns, do them about the Avon opportunity. You can provide tips and ideas for team building, so many different things that you can do. So I challenge you guys to do a video. And then let's take a look at the week ahead. So we have our Team Momentum webinar Monday night at 7:30 p.m. Central. Brandy Shelley is our guest speaker from Team Momentum. She's a top seller, and I can't wait for you to hear from her. And of course, the lovely Miss Cheryl Papayan will be co-hosting with me. So I really hope you can join. We cover events and incentives and exciting news. So please try to join on our webinar. If you cannot, you will get access to the playback. So make sure to watch that on your own time. There is Monday night. This is your Avon webinar. So that's for those of you that are probably in your first couple campaigns. It's going to go over the basics, and it's designed to help new reps get started and get going. So I will, if they're not already, put all these events in our Facebook calendar, and make sure to not only say you're going to go on Facebook, but to also make sure you register through the webinar link. I no longer have that feature where I can do a Facebook Live video and show my screen. So please join Zoom so that you're a part of our team webinar. And then This Is Your Avon webinar, I'll also put the link to register for that. Campaign 14 is due on Tuesday, 5 p.m. Eastern. I recommend that you give your customers a deadline before Monday night, just so that you have some wiggle room if anyone gives you a last minute order. What I would probably do is make the book end on Sunday for my customers. I would submit my order Monday night so that I'm not rushing Tuesday morning. So just remember, Tuesday morning, June 26th by 5 p.m. Eastern is the last chance to get your award sales in for campaign 14. Campaign 15 will start on your e-store on Tuesday the 26th as well, and will go through July 9th. So Wednesday the 27th is when campaign 15 officially starts. So I know you've already planned ahead. You have your brochures, you have your samples, you have your demos. I know that you are ready to rock this campaign. And so campaign 15 is gonna go June 27th through July 10th. Okay, so make sure that you are writing down your due dates, you're planning and prioritizing before you just start sitting down and communicating with everybody. You got to be a little bit disciplined. So put in the work first, and then allow yourself to get social, or do it as you're working your Avon business. Share a picture of you out in the field. Share some products that you received that you're excited about. The biggest thing that I've found with doing something new or building in a new activity is once I start it, it's super easy to complete. I usually build up the obstacle in my own mind. So don't do that. Learn from me and just get out there and work your business and have fun and make some money. So we are wrapping up, let's see, June will be the end of second quarter. So the end of this month will be through second quarter. So we've made it halfway. Congratulations. I hope you're excited with how much growth you've seen so far. If you haven't, if you aren't, just wait, because there's so many great products and things coming our way. So we want to be tracking and keeping ourselves accountable. So let's go over to our rewards and recognition. And let's take a look at our goal card. So that's where you can track your progress on your sales. And then you can see what it would take to go up a different level. And you can read about all the benefits in the 2018 PRP overview. You can also print out that sales level tracking chart so that you are on track. So when we get into fourth quarter, you're already making the good money because you've made President's Club or whatever your goal level is. Okay, so track, don't wait to cram it all in, and you'll be really excited when the time comes and you know that you can just really get out there and sell and not worry about hitting numbers. So with that, I will say that campaign 19 is double dollars only for RepFest attendees. Okay, so what does double dollars mean? I'm going to go over to your Avon right here. So this is like my order page, and the new representatives may look a little bit different, but you want to go into your success center. That's really where you can find incentives and rewards. And read all about it. So I didn't really understand what double dollars meant when I first started, and I was a little shy to even ask questions. So let me share with you what it means. So if I have a $400, first you got to register for RepFest, okay? And then we're going to check out that campaign 19, what's new, and the brochure to plan ahead and really take full advantage of those double dollars. So part of being a successful seller is planning ahead, watching for trends, being prepared and organized and ready to make the most of that campaign when it's time for it to arrive. So makeupmarketers.com. I do have the what's new posted through campaign 19. I also have the brochures there for you to look through. Okay, so what does double dollars mean? Let's say I submit a $400 order and I went to RepFest. It was life-changing and I'll never miss another one. And those award sales are going to count double. So it doesn't mean that my profit's going to double. I'm not going to make more money with the double dollars, but what I am going to do is it'll count for 800 in award sales, and it's going to get me closer to President's Club or my goal sales level. So it is a big deal. We haven't had a lot of double dollars opportunities. So When this comes up, you want to fully take advantage of it, okay? So register for RepFest, keep tracking for your PRP level, plan for campaigns 16 and 17, look ahead at campaign 19 and plan something big, an online party, a home party, group selling, okay? So I don't know offhand if, let's see if fundraisers count. Okay. Well, I'm going to let you guys look. I didn't look at that ahead of time. But I do like to show you where to find stuff so that I don't give you the wrong information and then you're mad at me. So double dollars, register for RepFest to take advantage of that. Let's see, check out your upcoming A-box and how you're going to make the most of that with your customers. I would have those on hand because the presentation of it is beautiful. And I don't think your customers will be able to turn you down when you show them how cool it is. Visit your campaign insider. So that is right here. It's going to give you your sales tips for campaign 14 for ordering out of that, selling campaign 15, and you can look ahead to demo campaign 16. I don't think I mentioned that Tuesday the 26th, there's also going to be an Avon Insider live on Facebook, okay? So tune in for that. It's 3 p.m. Central. So join Michael Sengstack and Evie DeAngelis if she's the co-host for that one, and try to get involved. Avon has a lot of fun, exciting things happening, and write them all down in your calendar so you can experience that excitement. There is also a Facebook Live on Monday, June 25th at 12 p.m. Eastern with a special announcement. So I don't even know what that's going to be. I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend. Rob and I are so excited to meet you all and reconnect with so many great Avon friends and learning opportunities, super exciting, engaging, biggest event of the year. Don't miss it, okay? And I will see you guys later. Make it a great day and make sure you're sharing Avon with any and everything that you do this summer. Take care. Bye.